Hello dear shotgun lovers, this is Said from Ferrochi Armed Shotgun Company. In this video, I want to introduce the KSA111 model semi-automatic shotgun of Ferrochi Arms. This model, KSA111, has a collapsible buttstock and plastic forend. As you see, it has a black chrome covered receiver and barrel with mobile shock. Its barrel length is 47 cm and its capacity is 5+1. This is a dual action shotgun because it works with the gas operation that is regulated by the inertia system, and it has a rotatable bolt here in the ejection port. We have other barrel length and capacity options in this model, and we can modify this shotgun as you wish. And now let's all have a test shot together of this model. For more information, you can visit our website, download our catalog, or contact us by email and WhatsApp. At the end of the video, we don't forget to say our motto: defend yourself, save the world.